So, super unfortunate turn of events. They're closed. Well, alas, I did check the Facebook pages of these places before I left, but for some reason, people are closing early. I looked at the weather. I'm kind of disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. This is a pretty far drive for me. Luckily, I am in Adamstown, even though a lot of these places are run by the same people. I'm kind of hoping at least somebody's open, especially because I just called at least one place on the car ride over here from Columbia. I'm like 2 hours from home, honestly, and it is less than 10 degrees outside. So not a happy camper, but you know what? It's par for the course. I'm gonna keep going and find somewhere to shop. All right, I'm officially pissed. I looked at their Facebook page too. They have nothing about being closed. Adamstown is closed. This is really obnoxious. Kind of like, I hate bad mouthing, but it's kind of 101 stuff. So, update. I've kind of calmed down from having a super bad attitude. Oh, come on. Don't do that. I found somewhere that's open. I just got to Heritage. It's not the trip I was anticipating, but it's the trip I got. I'm gonna leave the bad attitude at the door and make the most of what little time I have. This is one of my favorite cases here. They always have such fun little trinkets. Look at that. That deer looks like a Josef Originals almost. Unfortunately, it's in a locked case and I can't see the price, which is the most annoying thing ever. I feel like it's worth getting the key probably. Let me see if I can find something else to make sure that I'm really not burning daylight here. So cute. Look at that. Oh, and the little bone china fairy tale set, nursery rhyme set, little Red Riding Hood. Oh my gosh, look at the sheep. Those are really hard to find. It's more than I'd like to spend, even though when you kind of divvy it up with 20%, it's not the worst deal in the world. Let's see, cow set. Wait, $3. Why is it $3? I'm confused why it's $3. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and grab that. See what else I can find. Oh my gosh, it's a snow globe one. Oh, that's fantastic. $6. I'm gonna take that too. I always pick these up whenever I find them. They usually sell pretty quick. Now these look like Hold Howard, and I am right. For $3, I'm gonna grab this too. I need to offload some of this stuff. So the little bone china deer was $2 and 20% off, so I did grab that. This is very cute, but a little bit more than I'd like to spend. I love how much new old stock they have. Oh my gosh. Look at this angel. The ones with the cloth faces sell well, but that's one of the music box ones, and I've had a lot of those in the past. Let me tidy this up a little. Now, whatever these are caught my attention. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, now this set is very cute, but at $24 and 20% off, I can't do much with it. It's a little too close. Gosh, there's so much fun stuff packed in here. Little Easter. Oh, it's so hard not to grab everything. So much cute, kitschy things. Oh, wow, look at this vintage wrapping paper. Unfortunately, at that price, I can't do anything with it. Commodore Japan. They say as is, $29 and 20% off. Yeah, they're really repaired. I'm gonna leave those be. Snowman, $15. And these are kind of different. Cat and mouse. I think that's a dog. I could be wrong though. Glass, what? Okay, 20% off. They're $6 each. I need a key. I'm gonna grab all of those. Those sell really quickly and are hard to find, especially with the paint like that. Oh my gosh. Now, of course, I also noticed all the Napco Christmas angels. I am gonna pass on those, but I'm gonna pick up the mini mugs. All right, now I got all the mini mugs. What is going on here? Is this like one whole thing? I love the bells. They say Happy New Year. Oh my gosh, how fun. That one's 15 and 20% off, so 12. That's not bad. I love the fact that these have the Merry Christmas and Happy New Year on them. But I'm not seeing a price. I might just be, oh, there it is. 20 bucks. Yeah, I'm gonna let that one be. Let's see what else they got. Oh, little elf. He's seen better days though. Those are very neat. I'm not so sure about them. Why is, oh, because this one's got 4 of them. Yeah, I feel like they should be marked on the bottom of the wood, at least on one of them. I'm a little hesitant about that. And those are cute, but not my favorite. This is kind of fun too. You know, I love that Hong Kong floral stuff. Oh, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and say that those Christmas trees are reproduction because these are packaged the same way and are newer. Look at that October angel. That is really hard to find. That is fantastic. Oh my gosh. Well, there's a lot going on in here, but of course I'm going straight to this Lefton. Maybe it's Relpo. Get well soon. Nurse planter, which I have actually never seen before in person, at $20 and 20% off. I'm gonna break my cheapskate cycle and purchase her because she's in like perfect condition. 16, so 30. Am I being crazy? I don't think I'm being crazy. I feel like this will sell for at least 30. I might look it up just to make sure I'm not making things up. So they're online anywhere between 25 and 30, just because it is so unique and I do so well with nurses. I'm gonna go ahead and take a chance on it anyway. I just think it's something I'm really attached to, and I've had a pretty good day. I've been pretty stingy so far. I feel all right paying up for this. Good grief, what is this incredible thing? It's kind of like whatever that cat thing was Jocelyn got here not that long ago. More trinkets, $6. Oh my gosh, so cheap. Oh, and this little planter, that's fun. I've had this one a few times. $14.50. That's about what I charged for mine too. Look at this little girl. She's quite sweet. $10, no discount. It is Joseph Originals, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm not as attached to her as I should feel like I should be. There's a lot of unique things happening in here, like this magnifying glass. Oh my gosh. There's that cool clothespin pen holder I saw last time, and this decanter is quite spectacular. I love that bohemian glass look. Look at this guy. This is really cute, this little bunny rabbit. Now, I do believe that this is a newer Joseph Originals piece. It's only $4 and no discount. Ugh, I kind of want to get it, but I'm going to hold out. I'm not trying to mess with that bisque material today. So many L's. But alas, they're all kind of priced at retail. This one's really strange. Yeah, even with 20% off, they're about what I would sell them for. What are these things? $48. Wow, those are spectacular. Again, with the bisque, that's not for me. I'm not crazy about that material. Look, here's another one of the celluloid Santa Claus with the sleigh. I should have bought that one at Burning Bridge. That is incredible. Whoa. And then this cute little Dream Pets cow. Oh, I'm kind of tempted to pick that up, but I'm seeing Scotch tape, which is never a sign. And even though this pink Fenton iridescent basket is gorgeous, I'm not gonna mess with it. I actually bought one, even though I said glass baskets don't sell well. I bought it for a really good price, and I still have it. It's been months, so I'm not touching glass baskets anymore. Well, they're running 25%. Is it over 10:01? No. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this little Napco Angel. It's been a while since I've had one of these, and $10 and 25% off. I can't really argue with that. What about this little Lefton Angel candle holder? 15, a little close. I love these pear fruit ornaments. They're so fantastic. I don't really mess with that kind of stuff though, because I just don't have good luck with it. And that's a really cool pendant, and it's just so breakable. This is pretty fantastic, this little polka dot pixie. It's $25 and firmed. Now for a collector, that's a steal of a price. For resale, it doesn't leave as much room as I'd like. I'd probably be able to only eke out a couple bucks on that. And I'm just a little bit nervous. I used to have so much luck with those types of figurines, but I feel like they kind of died off a little recently. Now moving over to this case, which is kind of a danger zone case for me. So cute. Oh my gosh, look at that angel, $28. That's a really good price. Those are kind of hard to find. And this whole situation is spectacular. Oh my gosh, look at this little Christmas box. How cute. What? Oh, here we go. Now, this is really interesting to me. Oh, unfortunately, it's got a little too much damage for me to justify. Oh, look at these guys. Carolers, pair. Well, they're 40% off. $9 for the pair is more than fair, but also I'm noticing this funny thing. I'm being kind of stingy by not picking them up, but I'm also noticing these little guys, 2 snowmen, $8 for the pair, and 40%. I am definitely grabbing these. What else is here? Oh, this is very interesting. 2 soaps. I only see one. Very different. Oh, whoa, look at this. The little tree, 23 and 40% off. It's got the original box. Oh my gosh, and look at these hats. Let me do the math on that. So it comes to like $13 and some change, just because it's white, and of course because of the condition. I don't care if it works. I'm not gonna test it out. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm just gonna sell it as is. This is a really spectacular Christmas display. Well, these are quite spectacular too. 10%. I think that's a little close for me. This one's amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, I love him. He's like $15. I don't know if that's a little too close for me. This size is really hard to find. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get him just because his condition is spectacular and his size is so rare. All right, let's see what else we got here. This little tree is adorable. I don't know if I can justify getting 2. This one looks like it might not make the trip home. 17. I'm really tempted to get that. It's a little too close. I've already gotten the snowman. Oh my God, look at this. How fantastic. Oh my gosh. I really just want this for myself, but I don't need it. The price is beyond fair. I also really like this dresser jar, but it's a little bit more than I'd like to spend. I don't sell those for top dollar. Unbelievable. I ended up getting all that for $85. I am gonna go down the road. I hope Mother Tucker's is open. It kind of seems like people are kind of marching to the beat of their own drum today. I mean, it's fair, it's 5 degrees out, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm ready to go.